Hi, today we are focusing on counting collections of coins and notes to find the total. I'm going to show a few examples and go through some steps on how we can count totals of money. Okay, so here I've got my coins and here I've got some notes. Let's start off with counting some coins first. I'm just going to grab a collection of coins and I'm going to pop them up here. And we're going to talk through how we would find the total. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put all the dollars together and then the cents together. And I'm going to group any cents that are the same type of coin. So you can see here we've got 3 $1 coins, 2 50 cents, and 3 10-cent pieces. Now I know that 50 plus 50 is 100 and that 100 cents is the same as $1. So I'm going to pop those on top of each other to show that I've made $1. Now I can't make a dollar with 3 10-cent pieces, so I'm going to leave them like that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to count how many dollars I have all together. I'm going to write my dollar sign. And now I'm going to count how many dollars I have. I have $1, $2, $3, but this makes a dollar as well. So I've got $1, $2, $3, $4. Now I can put a decimal point here because this is going to separate my dollars from my cents. Now I can count how many cents I have. I can count by tens. 10, 20, 30. I have 30 cents. I can put a small c here to show the cents. I have $4.30, and that is how we write it. All right, let's do another example. All right, so I've got my collection of coins. My first step is to sort them into the dollars and the cents, and I'm going to group any coins that I can together. All right, I can see I've got a $2 coin, 2 20-cent pieces, 2 10-cent pieces, and 2 5-cent pieces. Now I'm going to do something a little bit different here. I know that I can't make a dollar using these cents. I can know that by skip counting. 5 and 5 is 10. So that's 10. I can move that here. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. I've only got 70 cents there. So I can't make a dollar. But can you see how I've moved my 2 5-cent pieces with the tens to make it easier to skip count? So I've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Got 70 cents and $2. So I've got $2. Whoa. So, sorry. I'm trying to write upside down and back the front. There we go. $2.70. I really had to think about drawing that backwards 7. $2.70. The other way I could have done this is to build up to 50 cents. I could have gone 20 plus 20 is 40. And I'm going to carry this 2 5 cents over here to make 50. So now I've made a 50 cents. $2, 50, 60, 70. It's just another way of doing it. Sometimes people count money by building it to either a dollar or to 50 cents. Let's do one more with the coins. All right. So I've got my coins. I'm going to put my dollars over here and my cents, sorting them into their coins. I've got $2, $1, a 50, 2 20s, and 2 10s. So I'm going to see if I can build to a dollar with my cents. I know that I've got 50 and I can add these up. 20 plus 20 is 40 and 10 more is 50. So now I can move this 50 on top of this 50 because now I have a dollar. 50 plus 50 is 100. 100 cents is the same as a dollar. and then I've got 10 cents left. So now I can count my dollars. 2 plus 1 is 3, plus another 1 is 4. So I have incorrect. Oh gosh. I have $4.10. Okay, hopefully you're starting to get the hang of it. What if I added a note though? So let me grab some extra coins and a note. So now I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to put my notes here and then order these. So now I can see how many dollars I have. I don't have any extra dollars to add to. So I can just write $5 and let's count the cents. I've got 50, 60, 70, 80. So I'm counting on to add them. Okay, I'm using my counting on. I'm starting at the largest coin, 50, and I'm counting this twice, 60, 70, 80. I have $5.80. All right, do the same thing, sort them, order them. All right, let's see how many dollars I have. So 20, I've got $20 plus $2 here. So I have $22. Backwards 2 is really tricky. $22 and how many cents? I've got 10 plus 5 is 15 cents. So I've got $22 and 15 cents. If I have multiple coins of the same type of coin, I can skip count to add them together. All right, let's do this one. So I've got lots of 10-cent pieces here, so I can skip count 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, plus 20 cents, so 60, 70, 80, plus 1 is $1.80. So skip counting comes into play when you're counting money. All right, I didn't realize that was still recording. Sorry about that. I'm going to go through your activity now. Okay, so in your OneNote, you'll see Maths for Wednesday. You'll see some piggy banks with some money in it. You're going to need to find the total amount shown in each piggy bank. I would suggest using the strategy that I've just said. If you've got some money at home, grab it out and use it. So here we've got a $5 coin plus $1. So I've got $6.05. Now that's a tricky one. Let me go through how we write that. So I'm going to show you what a common error is. So often people will write it like the top one when they think that's $6.05, but that's $6.50. Okay, they sometimes leave out the zero on the end and think that that's $6.05. We need to keep the place value and put a zero there. Okay, if you imagine it like we've got 605 cents altogether, we've got $6.05. So if I've got $1.05, I need to put the zero before the 5. So make sure that you do that. So you've got 2 pages of piggy banks, some with notes, some with just coins. And that's all that you need to do today. Grab some coins out, it's going to help you, and make sure that you're using the strategy that I just explained.